Welcome to the Code with Reza channel. My name is Reza and I'm here to teach you Python. Today I want to talk about Canvas. So let's go to the code. We do the import first, then we create the root window. Let's have a look. This is the root window. Let's create a canvas first. So canvas is from class canvas. We pass the parent, which is root here, and we say canvas.pack. Here pack means using the pack layout manager to put this canvas on the root. And we need to say config the width of the canvas 640 and the height 480. This is our canvas. This is our canvas. Okay, now let's create a line on the canvas. So line equals canvas dot create line 160, 360, 480, 120, fill blue, and width 5. Here this is the first point, the starting point, the x and y, the x of the first point, then y of the first point or the start point. This is the second point or the end point. This is the x and this is the y. So let's have a look. So if you look at here, we're saying fill blue means the color should be blue, and the color is blue. And the width or the thickness of the line should be 5 pixels, which is here. We can make it bigger, for example 10 pixels. It's thicker now. Now let's change the color of the line and make it green. After we create the line, we can say canvas dot item configure line. We want to configure line. What do you want to do? We want to fill it with green. So the line will be green now. Here is it. Now let's create a rectangle. It's very easy. We say canvas dot create rectangle, and we say 160 and 120 top left, and 480 and 360 bottom right, and it will create the rectangle for us. This is the rectangle. Now let's make it yellow, color it with yellow. So I can say canvas dot item configure rectangle, now fill it with yellow. Okay, so fill it with yellow. Let's have a look. So it's all yellow inside. There is a little bit left of our green line, but the rectangle is yellow. Now let's create an oval. Let's have a look. This is our oval. Now let's make it red. So it's very easy, the same as others. Canvas, item configure, oval, we want to fill it with red. It's now red. Now let's create an arc. Again, very easy. You can say arc equals canvas, create arc. Again, the required points and the start of the arc is from 0 and it extends for 180. Have a look. So this is 180 degree of this arc. Now let's make it green. Arc, fill, green. It is green now. Now let's create a triangle using polygon method. I want to add a triangle here. So I will say poly canvas, create polygon 160, 360, the first point, 320, 480, the second point, and 480 and 360, the third point, and fill blue. Let's have a look. This is our rectangle. Let's add some text. Text equals canvas dot create text at the point of 320, which is X, and Y80. Put a text as Python. Let's have a look. Here is the text, but the text is very small. We can change the font. We can change the font, the type, the family, the size. I can say font and a tuple of the type of the font or family of the font, size of the font, and bold. Now the Python is bigger and it's bold. Now let's add an image to the canvas. So for image, I can create a logo first, the same as how we always do that. File. Which file? The famous, the GIF file. We make it small by subsample. We make it half by passing 2 and 2. Means half of the X and half of the Y. Half of the width and half of the height. And then I create an image. Canvas. Create image from on the position of X 320 and Y 240. And put the image as our logo. So this logo is this logo. We create an image like this and we place it on the canvas. So this is our image, this beautiful green frog. Now let's add a button to the canvas. For example, somewhere here, let's add a button. So we can say button is of type button. We pass the canvas as parent because we want to put the button on the canvas. And the text for the button is click me. And we say canvas, create window, where on the point 320 and 400, and the window is our button. This button is this button. Now let's have a look. There's a button and you can click on that. So this is a very basic stuff for creating the basic shapes, but you can play with these small and simple shapes to create more complicated things if you want. That's all for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you later.